For the first question, how do you transfer recorded sound in tape to digital format? I transfer the recorded sound in tape to digital format by using online audio converter. First, I upload the recorded sound to the website. Then, choose the audio format and audio quality that is suitable. Lastly, simply click on the Convert button. After the conversion is completed, download the file. For question number 2, does the audio have to be in stereo and why? It is not compulsory for the audio to be in stereo. It can also be in mono, depending on the purpose. The difference is in the number of channels signals used. Mono audio uses one and stereo audio uses more than one. In monaural sound, one signal channel is used. It can be reproduced through several speakers, but all speakers are still reproducing the same copy of the signal. In stereophonic sound, more channels are used, typically two. You can use two different channels and make one feed one speaker and the second channel feed a second speaker. This is used to create directionality, perspective, and space. For the third question, what advantages are there in having it in stereo? In a common stereo setup of two channels, left and right, one channel is sent to the left speaker and the other channel is sent to the right speaker. By controlling to which channel you send the signal, you can control the position of the sound. You'll hear sounds coming from different directions depending on which speaker you send the signal to, or in which proportion. Sounds with equal proportions on both speakers will appear to come from the center. In other words, stereo enables the possibility of playing with sound localization. For the fourth question, how much space could you save by reducing the quality of the audio? By reducing the quality of the audio, a lot of space will be saved. For example, an audio file with good quality, 192 kb per second, duration 3 minutes 38 seconds, original file size 5 MB. When reduced to economy quality, 64 kb per second, the file size will be reduced to 1.66 MB. The file size is reduced by 67% when we reduce the audio quality. So, I would say a lot of space is saved by reducing the quality of the audio. For question number 5, what type of audio file formats that you plan to use and why? The type of audio format I plan to use is MP3, which is a lossy compressed audio format. It enables greater reductions in file size by removing some of the audio information and simplifying the data. Although this results in a reduction of audio quality, but a variety of techniques used, mainly by exploiting psychoacoustics, to remove the parts of the sound that have the least effect on perceived quality, and to minimize the amount of audible noise added during the process. In addition, MP3 is the most common sound file format used today. For question number 6, how much video will you be able to include? For the given 3 GB space, I will need to include 10 hours of recorded sound, 100 colorful PowerPoint files with images, and 10 hours of recorded film. I will allocate around 300 MB for audio. 2 minutes of MP3 audio is equivalent to 1 MB of file size. Another 300 MB will be given to the PowerPoint files, assuming each PowerPoint file contains 10 slides. That is, one slide with image around 300 KB. So 10 slides will be 3 MB. and 100 PowerPoint files will be around 300 MB. So there is still 2400 MB of space left for video. For 360p quality video, I can put in videos with total duration of around 180 minutes or 3 hours. For question number 7, how large will the video window be on the screen? The video dimension will be 1280 times 720. Width will be 600 pixels. Landscape aspect ratio is 16:9 and portrait aspect ratio is 9:16. For question number 8, would video compression be useful? What type of video compression that you plan to use and why? Yes, video compression will be very useful because it can help to encode video file in such a way that it consumes less space than the original file, and thus making it easier and faster for uploading and downloading. In addition, video compression eliminates redundant and non-functional data from the original video file. I would prefer offline video compression because it would save more time compared to online video compression. For online video compression, the original file will need to be uploaded online, normally takes time. But for offline video compression, I can skip the upload process. The software I'm going to use is Handbrake. It is easy to use and even have preset video conversion and compression settings. It is an open source software to reduce video file size that is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It provides feature-rich video compression and conversion tools. It has easy-to-access presets for devices, fast and batch queuing. For question number 9, will the number of different musical instruments alter any of your decisions? The number of different musical instruments will not alter any of my decision because MP4 can support multiple musical instrument playback. For the 10th question, what type of video file formats that you plan to use and why? I plan to use videos in MP4 format because this is the most widely used format. It is compatible to all types of devices including smartphones, Apple devices, TV, DVD players, computers, and others. The format is capable of storing video, audio, still, and text files. MP4 format offers decent quality video output and features lossless compression algorithm.